Hello friends, I am Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we discuss reciprocity theorem and Millman's theorem. Reciprocity theorem. Statement: the reciprocity theorem states that the current at one point in a circuit due to voltage at second point is the same as current at second point due to the same voltage at the first. For example, this is an simple circuit having voltage and another branch having current. In between that, linear bilateral passive network is there. So we just change this voltage source. We just move this voltage source position at this current source, current branch, and this current move at voltage branch, that is here. We move on output side and I move on input side. Shifting. Now, the condition must be satisfied while applying reciprocity theorem. This V1 divided by I2 equal to V2 divided by I1. Let's see one example. So this is an figure A and this is figure 2. This 20 volt voltage source shift to this branch while current flowing through 20 ohm resistance is I, and this current shift at this branch. Step first, refer figure A, simplify the network. 10 and 8 are parallel, so parallel combination is 4.44. 20 and 4.44 is in series, so we are applying current division rule here. ये 20 and 5 इसका ये voltage source है. I just convert this voltage source in current source, so 4 ampere and 5 volt. 5 ohm. Now, I, current division rule, I is equal to 2.77, 5 parallel 6 is 2.77 into main current, that is 4 ampere, divided by addition of all these resistance, 2.77 plus 20 plus 4.44. So current is nothing but final value of current is 0.40 ampere. Ratio is V upon I, ratio is 20 divided by 0.4, that is 50 ohm. Step 2, while referring figure B, simplify the network. 8 and 10 parallel, that is 4.44. IT equal to 20 divided by 20 plus 4.44 into 5 parallel 6. 5 parallel 6. IT equal to 0.736 ampere. And current I equal to IT equal to कैसे किया 5 and 6 parallel, so total current is what 20 volt divided by total resistance, that is IT. And I equal to this, I equal to, we are applying current division rule here, 6 divided by 6 plus 5 into main current, that is IT, 0.736. we got I equal to 0.4 and ratio is 20 divided by 0.4, that is 50. So this reciprocity theorem condition is satisfied, V1 divided by I2 is 50 and V2 divided by I1 is 50. Next, Millman's theorem. Statement. Millman's theorem states that when a number of voltage source V1, V2, V3 are in parallel having internal resistance R1, R2, R3 respectively, the arrangement can replaced by single equivalent voltage source Vt in series with equivalent resistance RT. In another word, determine voltage across parallel branch of circuit which having more than one voltage source, that is reduce the complexity of the electrical circuit. So this is an circuit as per statement. You want to convert this, reduce the circuit in single voltage source having internal resistance, and this is RL, load resistance. Now R is nothing but 1 upon G, and G or vice versa, G is equal to 1 upon R. I is equal to, as per Ohm's law, V upon R, that is equal to V into G. Now as per Millman's theorem, Vt equal to plus or minus if upper side voltage source having upper side is positive, so positive, and upper side is negative, then negative. Plus minus V1 G1 plus minus V2 G2 plus minus V3, so on, divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3. R total is equal to 1 upon G total. IL equal to Vt divided by RT plus RL, current. This IL equal to Vt divided by RT plus RL. Vt equal to 1 upon T, that is 1 upon RT, 1 upon RT, nothing but GT. And IT equal to V1 upon R1, V2 upon R2, just like that. We can simplify this theorem by using this formula, Vt equal to IT upon 1 upon RT. Let's see one example, Millman's theorem example. This is a simple circuit. We just want to convert this circuit in this form. Now RL as it is 10 ohm, we want to find out IL. So Vt equal to plus 20 divided by 5 plus 40 divided by 4, and upper side is minus, therefore minus 10 divided by 2, that branch resistance, divided by 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So Vt equal to 9.47 volt, and IL equal to, simple, we are applying IL equal to Vt divided by RT plus RL. Finally we get IL equal to 0.857 ampere. Current is downward direction. Thank you.